check the normality assumption in ANOVA after you've already fit an ANOVA. So I showed you in the previous video how to fit your ANOVA table, how to get JUMP to compute that for you. So here's the ANOVA table to test whether mean survival time differs between these different types of cancer. So to check normality, you want to save your residuals. So first you go to this red triangle and then go down to save and then do save residuals. And the residuals will appear in your data set as the last column. Here they're going to be called your response variables centered by your categorical variable, your explanatory variable. You can just rename them residuals if you want. And then you just want to do a normal quantile plot of those residuals. So you've done that before. Now just treat this as its own variable. So you're going to go to Analyze, Distribution, and then just analyze the distribution of the residuals. So drag your residuals into the Y columns box, click OK, and you'll automatically get a histogram. The histogram is vertical by default. You can change it to horizontal. But what you really want, and hopefully you remember this from chapter 4, you don't want to assess normality from the histogram, but you want to assess it from a normal quantile plot. So click on the red triangle and then select normal quantile plot. And then you're going to check whether those black dots fall along a line or not. And they really don't appear to in this case, but of course you also have to consider your sample size. So if you have a large enough sample, it's okay if your residuals are not normally distributed.